G'day guys, how's it going? So some of you will know already that I got a Ender 3 the other day. I've been doing a few bits and pieces, trying to do some test prints and stuff like that, and I had a stream the other night and we were getting it dialed in, kind of showing how, well, people were telling me how to dial it in. I had a couple of relatively successful prints out of it so far. This one went pretty good. I did 3 of these. It's a center finder. You actually put it on a item and put a builder's pencil or whatever through that hole. It gives you a center of a said size thing. Bring the bed back out. So there's 2 questions I have. I tried to print a couple of different things. Now this is a micro USB holder card thing that's meant to go in a card wallet, and it came out very smudgy. See, it's really melted on the bottom for some reason. I don't really know why. That's kind of one of my questions to you guys. Very melted on the bottom, kind of blown out looking. So that's that one. And then we printed this, which is the start of a Milwaukee battery holder. This was a few hours into the process when this really all went wrong. As you can see, that's actually meant to be square and flat. That's meant to bolt down through those 2 holes and this hole. And this was facing towards the front of the printer, and it has done a stand up on me. So I was wondering, so I'm using ABS. This is that stuff from 3D Phillies. I had the bed at 100 and I had the print at 245, which is in between those 2 parameters set there. As you can see, it's kind of lifted up on this one side more than the other. Is this from cooling down, and do I need to put this in an enclosure or a warmer space to protect it, is my main question. Because if that's the case, I'll make a box for it and keep it warm in its own little box, or just set up a big decent box to stop it doing this. But this kind of looks like it's over melted. Yeah, let me know what you think. It's still strong, relatively flexible and strong. I didn't like crease a line in it or anything, considering it's only that much, but I let that print out. That's what it reckons it has done. Because I want to make a memory card holder for all the memory cards that we're going to be swapping in and out doing filming with a couple of new projects we've got going on. I've got a bunch of micro SDs, and these I want to print a vast quantity of to mount all my Milwaukee batteries everywhere I go, in the ute and in the truck toolbox, as well as on the wall in workshops and stuff like that. And a couple of mates have got Milwaukee tools as well, so make some mounts up for them. But yeah, bit of a question for you guys. Little product like this went sweet. You see a little bit melty on the base, but not by no means bad. I'm happy with that. I can clean that up, that's no issue. This really puzzled me a bit. A little bit messy for my liking. Can I try again with a slower speed or a layer height speed difference or something along those lines? I'm not sure. If you can actually slow it down while it's in operation. Oh yeah, looks like you slow the velocity down. But yeah, just thought I'd ask the question. Some of you guys have been 3D printing for years and years. I'm a bit of a rookie at it, as you can tell. Let me know what you think, and I'll try it and hopefully answer the question for someone else when they look it up. Yeah, it's an Ender 3, and I'm using ABS. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.